AI Stocks Made Simple by David L. Wadley, the multi-part investing series. Chapter 12, Stock Soul, Rhythm, Wealth, and Financial Vibes. Stock Soul is a music genre created by David L. Wadley that combines classic R&B energy with financial education. Stock Soul music videos have garnered millions of views on the Bandit's YouTube channel since its inception in 2011. 1. What Stock Soul is. Stock Soul mixes 1. Classic R&B. 2. Financial lessons. 3. Motivational messaging. It provides a calm, focused soundtrack for studying investing. 2. Why music helps learning. Music can help you 1. Concentrate longer. 2. Stay relaxed during market research. 3. Build a patient, long-term attitude. 3. Cultural roots. Stock Soul connects the emotional depth of soul music with financial discipline and modern investing. 4. A lifestyle, not just music. Stock Soul encourages 1. Ownership. 2. Patience. 3. Mindfulness. 4. Generational wealth. Mini summary. Chapter 12. Stock Soul is a transformative blend of the emotional richness of classic R&B and soul with the principles of financial literacy, wealth-building wisdom, and stock market storytelling. Rooted in warm harmonies, smooth vocals, and groove-heavy instrumentation, Stock Soul turns investing concepts into relatable themes, uplifting narratives, and soul-inspired metaphors. In this genre, love songs move with the rhythm of market swings. Empowerment anthems teach the value of ownership and assets, and slow jams explore the emotional side of financial journeys. Stock Soul isn't just music, it's a lifestyle, a soundtrack for people pursuing generational wealth, emotional growth, and a deeper connection between heart and hustle. You are entering the markets at an important time. Now you have the tools. Now you have the guide. What you build from here is up to you. If this series helped you see the market differently, continue building your knowledge. Subscribe for more insights on AI, investing, and the future of the market. And if you want to revisit the full journey, start again from Chapter 1, AI Stocks Made Simple, a beginner's guide to AI investing and online trading by David L. Wadley.